When one little sensor can't cover the places you worry about, here's the best smart water leak detector setup. 3 picks. Quick answer. D-Link is the default. More places, one kit. Choose YoLink for distant spaces where Wi-Fi gets unreliable, or Kidde for basic Wi-Fi alerts without adding a hub. No detector fits every space. Choose for coverage, range, setup, and clearance. For most homes with several leak risks, I'd choose the D-Link Water Leak Sensor Starter Kit SW-A11KT. Buy it if appliance gaps and plumbing connections both need coverage. Its sensing cable and slim wireless sensor let one kit fit different locations, with room to expand later. That flexibility earns its place. But it's the priciest option here. The cable can be stiff when you tuck it under an appliance, and its hub takes an outlet. Smart Home support stops at Google Home and IFT. Skip it if you want Alexa, Apple Home, or the least expensive basic alerts. For remote trouble spots, the YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit SpeakerHub and Water Leak Sensor 4 makes more sense. Buy it if you need coverage in a detached garage, basement, or outbuilding where standard Wi-Fi can fade. Its hub is built for longer reach, while probes on both sides give water more than one contact point. Range changes everything. Alexa users will like this route. But the hub occupies an outlet and shelf space. You must silence the alarm at the sensor unless you preset a timer, and sensor offline alerts may be slow. Skip it if you want compact standalone hardware, Apple Home, or immediate notification when a sensor battery is removed. For simple coverage on a tighter budget, grab the Kidde Water Leak Plus Freeze Detector. Buy it if you want direct Wi-Fi alerts and a seriously loud built-in alarm, without another hub to buy or place. It suits an open, level floor where you can position it carefully. Keep placement deliberate. Its taller body can be tough to slide beneath appliances, while widely spaced bottom probes may miss a small puddle or uneven water. Alexa and Google Home offer less here than the app. Skip it if the gap is tight, the floor isn't level, or you need advanced automations. Coverage across appliance gaps and plumbing, D-Link. Faraway garage, basement, or outbuilding, YoLink. Direct Wi-Fi alerts in an open, level place for less money, Kidde. Start with the location, then accept the matching hub and clearance trade-off. Before buying, map every appliance, plumbing connection, basement, and detached space you want covered. Check outlet access for hub-based kits, clearance under appliances, floor level, and where water will collect. Put detectors where a leak can reach their probes, not just where they look tidy. If you're unsure, start with D-Link for flexible coverage around appliances and plumbing. Switch to YoLink if your distant garage, basement, or outbuilding needs the longer-range hub. Choose Kidde if simple Wi-Fi alerts and no hub matter more than a slim fit. Then place whichever you buy where water can actually reach it. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.